Hello everyone, welcome to the English Language Channel, it's your YouTube channel. Today I have a great book recommendation for English learners for you. The Phantom Tollbooth by Norton Juster. If you already read this book, you already know that it's a great book, but for those who haven't read it yet, you should know that it's a fun book full of adventure and a great way to improve your English. So let's get started. The Phantom Tollbooth is a story about a boy named Milo. He's always bored and doesn't know what to do. One day he finds a mysterious tollbooth in his room, and when he drives through it, he enters a magical world full of numbers, words, and exciting places, of course. And on his journey he learns important lessons about knowledge, curiosity, and the power of language. And now there are three main reasons why this book is great for learning English. The first one is the language is real simple, so you will understand it really easily, but the language is creative at the same time, so you will learn new words in a fun way. And the second is the book has many wordplays and puns. You know puns, I will put the meaning here in case. So it helps you to understand how these words can have different meanings at the same time. And the last but not least, the story is exciting, so you will enjoy it while improving your English. In this book there's a place called the Islands of Conclusions. In English there is a phrase, we have a phrase, which is to jump to conclusions, which means to make decisions too quickly. And in this book, to reach that island, the Islands of Conclusions, you literally have to jump. So it's a great and exciting way to learn new English expressions, as you see. And now, why should you read it? If your English level is beginner or close to that, the book is perfect for you because the book has many simple words, but the story is creative at the same time. So you will learn many new words in a fun way. You will enjoy it while you are learning new words. And I hope you like this book recommendation. Have you ever read The Phantom Tollbooth before, or do you want to read it now? Please let me know in the comments. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more English learning tips. See you in the next video. Bye!